Presenting Oppo A74 5G smartphone in fantastic purple. It comes in a size of 16.3 into 7.5 into 0.8 centimeters and weighs 188 grams. It is also available in fluid black. The smartphone comes with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal memory that is expandable up to 256 GB. It features dual nano 5G SIM. The 6.49 inches FHD Plus punch hole display comes in a resolution of 2400 into 1080 pixels. It is equipped with 48 megapixel plus 2 megapixel plus 2 megapixel triple rear cameras and 8 megapixel front camera. The smartphone runs on Color OS 11.1 based on Android 11.0 operating system. The 5000 mAh lithium polymer battery comes with 18 watts fast charge and a talk time of 45 hours. The box includes the smartphone, USB cable, charger, SIM ejector tool, protective case, quick start guide and safety guide. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.